let's talk about one big company that shocked the entire internet. We are talking about Oracle. Oracle reportedly cut about 20,000 jobs globally, but it was how employees discovered it that truly kind of angered people. Imagine waking up 6 in the morning, you try logging into your office system, suddenly your account is gone. No explanation, no meeting, no human conversation. Some workers reportedly discovered that they had been fired only because their VPN stopped working. Can you imagine that humiliation? Years of service ended by a login failure here. Some employees say that they were in the middle of project when suddenly all access disappeared. Others reportedly learned about layoffs from co-workers instead of management. But the anger, it did not stop there. Some employees claimed that they lost stock worth hundreds of thousands of dollars because the shares they had not vested yet. Years of waiting gone overnight. Now, for many tech employees in America today, stock options, they are a huge part of compensation. Well, they tolerate stress, believing that future shares will reward them later. But layoffs can erase those dreams instantly. And you know why is Oracle doing all of this? Because that particular company is aggressively spending on AI infrastructure and data centers. The AI race is becoming extremely expensive now. Companies are spending billions on chips, cloud systems, servers, and electricity to compete with the AI market now. Again, there's the same pattern. More AI spending, more human cuts. This is the new corporate formula, by the way, and the workers across Silicon Valley, they are now realizing something brutal. In the AI race, employees may become the easiest cost to remove. Ladies and gentlemen, let's shift our focus to more human story now. Let's talk about something that most companies never discuss: the emotional pain after the layoff. In fact, one former Amazon employee, Tejal Revis, shared how layoffs feels like a grief here. And honestly, that description feels kind of accurate here because losing a job is not just losing income. It feels like losing the entire identity, confidence, routine, purpose. Many workers spend years building their career. Their company becomes part of who they are, their daily lives, their social circle, their self-respect, and suddenly one email destroys it all. She described questioning her own worth after the layoff and millions silently feeling the same way. LinkedIn today looks very different. Earlier, people posted what? Promotions? Now they post open to work. That green badge, if you know, it has become a symbol of anxiety. Behind every open to work post, it is often a stressed family trying to stay calm. People pretend to be very positive online, by the way, but privately, many are struggling emotionally.